Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide app library in the iPhone. First, go to the settings. Here, select the screen time. Then scroll down and select content and privacy restrictions. Here, go to the allowed apps. Turn off the toggle for FaceTime. After that, go back and search for FaceTime in the app library. You'll see that the results are not found, which means the app is now hidden. Now go back to the allowed apps and turn the toggle on for FaceTime. Once it is done, go to Content Restrictions. Here, go to Apps. Then select the option of Don't Allow Apps. As you can see, all of your apps are now hidden. Go to the search bar of the app library. Now search for any app. You'll not find any results. Try searching for other apps as well. You'll not find them, as they are hidden now. If you want to change the settings again, select the permission to allow all apps. By doing so, you'll now find your apps in the app library. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.